The old school was quite run down a bit, you know. We didn't have much space in the school. It felt a bit like we were all on top of each other. There wasn't any proper outside areas for the children, especially in foundation phase, to be able to do their work outside. The staff room was extremely small. We had to actually give up our staff room at one point to make a classroom in that room because we had so many children and they all wouldn't fit. It caused issues for kind of the different activities that the staff wanted to do, you know, especially when you're in foundation phase classes. They're quite small to do different areas of learning within that class. It also gave us a lot of difficulties as well with behaviour. One of the things we have noticed is a change in the children's behaviour. They're much more respectful. In the old site, you know, it's quite difficult to be respectful of things that are broken and things that are not looking that nice. But here, there was a change in a bit of mindset as well with, you know, with parents, with children, and since we've been here, children have been much more respectful and treating the building as their own much more really, and so we're quite proud of that. So obviously we've got brand new school now, brand new internet capabilities, faster, so that's made a huge difference to the way of teaching. PE was a challenge as well, obviously not enough space, not enough, you know, resources. We've got a brand new hall with suitable flooring, we've got storerooms to keep all our equipment in, something we didn't really have in the old site. The things that we can actually do now and to offer our children is just amazing really when you compare this with the old site.